Today, we're going to talk about properties of addition. You've probably noticed that if you add 0 to any number, it results in the same number. So let's say 5, for example. If you add 0 to that, well, the answer is still 5. And let's take 3. If you add 0 to that, the answer is still 3. So whatever number you choose, adding 0 is equal to that same number. This is called the addition property of 0, because adding 0 to any number does not affect the number at all. And also, one other thing to note is this is the same equation as the one to the left. These equations are the same. You can have 0 and add 5 to it, or you can have 5 and add 0 to it, and they both equal 5. Same with adding 0 to 3. It's still equal to 3. The second property you should know is the commutative property. Let me introduce something called variables. Variables are letters that can represent numbers in mathematics. So let's say A is equal to 1. We take the letter A here and we give it the value of 1. So what would A plus A be? Well, A plus A would be the same. This is equivalent to 1 plus 1. And we all know 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the answer is 2 in either case. Because A, we have given the value of 1, 1 plus 1, or A plus A, is equal to 2. Now let's use this property to show the commutative property of addition. Let's say we have A is equal to 1, and let's say we have B is equal to 2. We can say A plus B, which would be equal to 3. Well, this is the same as B plus A, which is equal to 3 as well. This is the commutative property, as you can swap the variables and the answer will still be the same. So you could also say that A plus B is equal to B plus A. Either way, the answer is the same. You can swap the variables around and the answer will always stay the same. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Lastly, we have the associative property of addition. The associative property deals with parentheses. Parentheses are an important way to group numbers in mathematics. So let's give A the value of 1 again, and B the value of 2, and now let's give C the value of 3. Let's say A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Both sides are the same, so this makes sense. Now parentheses, you can put around two variables, like this, A plus B. What does this do? Well, it means that you have to add A plus B first, and then add C. So this would be equal to A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. So we have 3. So we add these first, then add 3, add C, then add C, which would be equal to 6. Now let's say we put parentheses around the B and the C here. And on this side, it would be A plus B is equal to 2 and C equals to 3. And this is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 6 as well. So you'll see on both sides it's equal to 6. And the parentheses is different, because for addition, parentheses doesn't matter. Whether you have the parentheses around B or C, B and C, or A and B, it's still the same. Parentheses does not change the value of adding numbers together.